From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
I'm getting prepared and ready to start class. I have one class today, but I have a packed day today, and today started off very late. I usually don't like to start my day late because I do so much in a day that I cannot afford to get up late. If I go to bed late, it's hard for me to wake up early. I went to bed around 2 o'clock in the morning this morning, so I haven't even exercised, none of that. I have on my workout clothes, I have on my sports bra and everything. So after I teach this class, I'm going to get my workout in. So now I'm going to open my PowerPoint. So I'm teaching grade 4 today. One of you asked what grades I teach. So I basically teach kindergarten to grade 6, and then I'm going to open the meeting. I like to open a live meeting about 10 minutes before, just so the students can start joining and settling in early so we can start class on time. You guys did amazing today. I'm so shocked that this was an easy exercise for some of you. For some of you it was hard, but you guys tried your best, and I really appreciate that. Okay, I want you guys to keep it up, pay attention for when I'm presenting, and then we can have a lot of fun when it's time to exercise. All right, so quick announcement again, remember that you have your assessment next week, so I want to make sure you guys are studying your notes so you guys can pass with flying colors. Right, I want to see all A's from you guys this time. That noise you guys hear in the background is the fan. Y'all, the other day, I know I've been very slow when it comes to uploading content on YouTube, but the other day, right, the place was so hot. I put on makeup and I sweat it off. I could not finish filming the content I was trying to film, and I got so frustrated because y'all, like, I be burning up in here. Fan was not helping. That's how hot it was. I've been low-key discouraged at times. I'm not going to let that stop me, but then I have to think about ways on how I can produce content, because it's a struggle to film in this household, and that's all I'm going to say about that. So let's go work out, girl. Work out, work out, work out. This is me hyping myself up to do this, right? Work out, work out, work out. Let's get it. You guys like my sports bra? Oh, look at them show. Remember when I bought the black, so I mixed it in with the gold? I don't know how to feel about it, but it's alright. I usually work out in a t-shirt, but I end up taking it off like 15 minutes into the workout. Let's get ready, let's get hype. What song we want to hear? Exclusive. This is the cardio right here. Give it to me, Missy. Workout is done. That's it. Woo! Nah. We haven't even started yet. I ain't got nothing for y'all to eat. So this is browning. We're gonna give away 3 of them. Oh, Snuffs! Snuffs! Why are you so jealous? You know what? Snuff is not letting me breathe. It's one of those days. Ain't no breeze swinging by. I'm doing a jump rope challenge where I jump rope for at least an hour every day. So I've been consistent for the most part. I only missed one day, and that's because I was such a busy work day that I didn't have time to exercise. I have my timer down here on my phone. To spice it up and have fun, I do different exercises in between my rest intervals. I love listening to bounce music when I exercise. So I have a bounce album on my phone from about 2010, that's 10 years ago. But that shit keeps me going, y'all. I be having me like, eh. Oh! Oh, shit. T-I-R-E-D. So after I complete my workout, I usually sit in front of the fan to cool off for a little bit. I'm all cooled down, and now I'm about to take a shower, and I'm going to co-wash my hair. It's been dry for the past couple days. I did end up shampooing and conditioning. I mean, I used a gentle shampoo. My hair wasn't stripped or anything like that, and I conditioned just to add back in some moisture. I'm going to do the wet look real quick. I already have a video up on my channel on how I do so if you want to go watch that video, go right ahead. And I'm just choosing that style because tomorrow I want to do a braid out. I'm spraying some leave-in conditioner on my hair to add back in some moisture. I'm going to try using some new products. So I have the Talia Wajid Hold Me Down gel and their curl elixir. I think I'm going to try the gel. I wonder if this is going to work. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then show you guys how it looks at the end. I'm done adding all the products from what's not. Okay, so I used the Hold Me Down gel as my gel, and I used my, where is it, the Alike Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner under it. Let me turn around. Yes, to the back, to the other side. Oh, so I'm just gonna put my scarf on, let that set, because I'm going to film later. I was trying to film before my mom gets home. I don't know how that's going to work out because I have to get something to eat because I'm really hungry, and I have to do my makeup and then film. So we'll see how that works out. So if I don't get to film, then I'll just take an Instagram picture. Okay, now I'm going to make something to eat. I think I'm going to make some French toast. It's after 2 when I'm eating breakfast. But I use about half of this. So if this really works, then I'm going to do it again and film a video for you guys explaining all the steps and so. I just got my deposit from a brand that I'm working with. So what I usually do is, first of all, before I start filming content for a brand, I let them pay a deposit, and after the content is completed, then they have to pay the remaining, just so that I don't film and have to wait months for my payment, or some people may not pay you. You have to protect yourself. Mostly I sign contracts and stuff like that, but still protect yourself. Do not work or do not start working until you get something. So I'm thankful for that, you know. So I'm going to post that video today. I need to get back on my filming schedule. It's been a little, you know, shifted and so on, so, but we'll get there. Yeah, feels good to get money deposited into your account. Yes, praise the Lord. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I usually do not wait this late to eat, so I'm going to make some French toast. This isn't something I do on a regular, so I have to YouTube how to make it. How to make French toast. Okay, so we have eggs. Alright, bet, let's get it. Okay guys, I'm about to edit my thumbnail for this video I'm going to upload in a couple hours or so. I hope you guys don't mind the fan being on. As I told you guys, my room is usually really hot, so I already transferred the pictures from my memory chip to my laptop, then to my phone. I like editing my thumbnails on my phone. I already have an idea of how I'd like the thumbnail to look like. I went into the app Snapseed and I expanded the image just so I can add another picture similar to this next to it. I got my 2 photos together. This is the app Super X Impose. You can do almost everything on your phone, guys. I'm going to the app Lightroom so I can bring out the color. Oh, this was my recent picture that I posted on the gram. Follow me on the gram, guys. Actually, before that, let's come out of this one. I like to use Facetune to add some details into my pictures. So this is what the picture is looking like. Okay, now I'm going to use the detail to bring out the hair. Do you guys want a detailed video on how I edit my pictures? Let me know, because I don't want this video to be too long. Editing is a whole art because your camera can wash you out, especially if you're dark skinned. Your camera can wash you out and it just can make you look flat. I like to edit to add back details that I feel that my camera played me with, okay? And nothing is wrong with editing your photos. I don't know why some people feel like that, because cameras are not 100% accurate. So let's just complete the lie. I'm just kidding. This is what I came up with. Now I'm going to finish uploading this video so it can go live in about an hour. Okay, I finished doing my thumbnail, my description, my tags, everything. So now I'm going to make the video live. And usually right after I upload a video, I respond back to all my comments. I usually respond back to the majority of them, but sometimes they get overwhelming because I'm on other platforms. But once you comment right away after I post a video, I'll usually answer you back. So you guys are coming in for this video. So this is the moisture and hydration video, natural hair moisturizing wash day 1 brand. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it. Thumbs up the video, that helps a lot, guys. Support your favorite influencers, you know, because we are bringing you guys content that you enjoy. So I'm about to take a little break for about, y'all, my break speed, I don't even know what it is. Is it a break? Because I have to come back right on the laptop because I got an opportunity to work with Caribbean Posh for their virtual, what is it? Let me show you guys the flyer. So if you haven't seen this on Instagram, the Caribbean Posh Girl Power Brunch virtual weekend, May 29th, that's Friday. Well, I'll be headlining an event. So she wants me to put a couple clips together so that I can play before our segment comes on. I'll be speaking with another young lady who's also very versed in natural hair and skincare and stuff like that. So I'm happy for that opportunity. So I have to put some clips together and send that off to her before the day is out. And I also have to still try to film that video I spoke to you guys about earlier, or take some Instagram pictures. I am going to film this video. I want to film this video. I've been prolonging this video for too long, but my mom is home. Noise travels in this house, so even if she's in the kitchen, I'll hear what she's doing, and you guys will hear what she's doing, and that's annoying. I got my first comment. Shout out to Iconic Curls on YouTube. I see you, girl. Thank you for always supporting my channel. So I responded back to her. It's 7:52. I am about to do my makeup to film a video. My makeup takes me literally the most, I'll say 45 minutes. So when I do my makeup, I usually watch a YouTube video or listen to music. Let's listen to that Ari Lennox though. Shea butter, baby, fucking up your window. However it goes. Yes, ma'am. Tell me what we do. She don't. Oh. My roommates ain't home. Really cold outside. Hair ain't alone. Y'all, I have these dramatic lashes that I want to wear, but I don't know if I'm going to be, I don't know, comfortable in wearing them. Let's see. Lord, I'm about to fly away. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna wear them. Let's see how this goes. Yes, boo, time to fly away. Wait for the lash. Hey, let's take this off. Oh. Hey y'all, it's Raziana. I got some makeup on my edges. Just going to put some edge control on the edges. And it's 8:39, so I am improving. If I didn't have to put on lashes, my makeup literally took me about 19 minutes. Y'all, I know my face is breaking out. I have to go back on my acne medication. And I noticed that every time I get back serious with my exercising and stuff, my skin goes into shock mode and I break out a lot. I don't know why that is. It is what it is, guys. I know. I've went through this a million times. I don't really let having acne affect me in any way. So yes, guys, Do you like it? I do. Alright, now I'm going to get ready to film. This is the exact area where I film. I'll show you guys my ghetto setup, but you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? Just as long as you do it, and we will do it, it will get done. I have my camera stacked up on all my books. Yeah, the whole filming process took about 2 hours because it's 9:55. So now I'm going to take off my makeup, and I still haven't edited that video for Caribbean Posh yet, so I'm going to take off my makeup, put all my stuff away, and then hop on the laptop. And I want to get off of the laptop before 12. Like, I don't want to be up late tonight because I have to teach 2 classes tomorrow. Is there anything else that I haven't done yet? So I'll probably edit one of the pictures that I took, or 1 or 2 of the pictures that I took today, so I can post that tomorrow. I still have another Instagram video that I need to edit. Yes, I have content, so I have to start editing the video I just filmed tomorrow. Let's just take this face off. So I just took a shower. I'm back at the computer. My last task for the day. It's about 10:35 and I am tired, but we got things to do. It's 11:41. I already put the clips together. I'm waiting for it to finish exporting so I can add it to a Google Drive. As I told y'all, I'm trying to go to bed before 12 or at 12. You hear my voice. Let's end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You got to see a glimpse, well, another glimpse into my life, and some days, as I told you, it's different. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.